Greetings, family. Sending you so much love. I am here to talk about something that has felt very potent and real in my life recently. And yeah, I've been going through a lot of waves of emotion, and I guess we could simply label it as the emotion of sadness or grief or pain. And it's not important what the actual circumstances are, it's about what it brings up within my own inner being. And I come on this video to talk about alchemy and how we can transform something that feels so painful in our life to something that can propel us into service, into love, into generosity, into kindness, and not disregarding what we're feeling and not bypassing it, but allowing it to be in our field, allowing it to be present with us, and nurturing it and loving it, which is just allowing it and accepting it to be there, but also not dwelling upon it, where we get pulled down by it. So this alchemical process that goes on within us is very powerful if we have the awareness to understand what's going on within us, why we may be feeling the ways that we're feeling, and then to say, you know what? That's okay. It's okay that this is here. It's okay. It's not wrong. It's okay. And then from that place, we still have space to then direct our energy into something that's constructive, because we can get caught up in our own life story, our own feelings that something is wrong in my life, or why is it this way? It should be this way. Why is this happening to me? And as I said, it's good to honor these emotions, but at some point, we do have to decide whether that is serving me or not, and alchemizing it in a way to then serve the community. And that's exactly why I am on this video, because I'm sharing myself and this recognition within my own self, and something that in the past little while I've been practicing, which I realize is alchemy. It's transmutation. It's transforming this pain, this energy of suffering, into a constructive energy where I raise it up, and then it strengthens me, and one can then courageously be like, okay, it's not about me. This isn't about me. This is about us. So how can I give right now? What act can I do? What act of generosity, kindness, service, how can I give right now? There's a beautiful quote in the Course in Miracles which is I am only lacking what I am not giving. And that's so powerful because if I'm in my own head, in my own space, just in this why me process, there's only so long that we can sit in that until we choose another emotion. Until we use that as a catalyst for service, for love, and for unity consciousness. And this is the message, is that I am only lacking what I am not giving. And we can transform our state of being from feeling that we're lacking something and then alchemizing that and changing our state of being into, okay, you know what? I'm gonna give right now. I know I'm feeling this. This is okay. I know that everything will be okay. But I want to give. I want to love. I want to contribute in ways that are constructive to everyone. And as I share this, we each have our own content of what this looks like in our life. Different circumstances, scenarios, whether it's losing a job or a relationship or a loved one, whether it's feels very large or a small thing, it doesn't really matter so much. It's about what do we do with it? How do we utilize these things as a catalyst for deepening our capacity to love and to serve and to give to the whole community. So there's a beautiful mantra here. My longing fuels my generosity. My heartache becomes service. Love given freely strengthens me and others. So, I ask you to tune in with yourself and see where this rings true for you, and to keep our energy as focused on something that is expansive, something that will affect someone's life in a healthy way, in an inspiring way, in a loving way, because we are one. And at the end of the day, we need to be serving each other in community. And this is really what the new earth looks like. This is what moving forward in deeper levels of love and harmony looks like. Is we need to get out of our own story and widen the story into no longer just me, what is gonna serve me, but instead what will serve us. So yeah, that's the message. Hopefully it can ring true for you if you have something in your life. I think most of us do. And it's such a beautiful thing. It just deepens the capacity for self-love. And when we have that self-love, we're then able to extend it to people that need it and that really need that spark of life back in them. So have a beautiful now moment. I love you, family. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank you for loving yourself enough to feel the pain and to understand it, and then to utilize it as a catalyst for unifying and serving us in greater ways. One love.